Hi, welcome back to today's morning report on Wednesday the 22nd of April with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Tech Markets. Let's have a look at cable now, and we've just had out the Bank of England meeting minutes. It was as predicted, unanimous decision in terms of holding rates steady. However, there was a slight hawkish lean, perhaps, with the fact that the committee also agreed that the next rate move is going to be for an increase as and when it happens. But nothing too significant. However, the certainly cable has taken that to light and pushed higher in the wake of that. In the wake of those minutes, this is the hourly chart, and we've now sort of broken this this head and shoulders top pattern, and we're through the right hand shoulder. So that suggests we're looking to push higher now. As we speak, we're seeing cable testing that 150 big figure level again. And that is a big sort of just psychological, but also general resistance as well. So that the levels that we saw just being capping throughout March and early April. So it's now coming into, if it can push above 150 big figure, it's now obviously going to then retest that key high that we saw back on the 17th, and that is the level that needs to be broken. That's 150.53. The rally high that we had there on the 17th. So that's now being tested. So this band continues to come under real pressure. This 49.50 to 50 big figure resistance band that I've been talking about for so long continues to come under real pressure. The outlook for the momentum indicators looking more positive, actually. The RSI is beginning to turn up and pushing above that peak that it saw on a few days ago. MACD line's also rallying as well. Stochastics holding on to a more positive outlook as well. So this is really being tested today by this by these Bank of England meeting minutes, and certainly at the moment it looks like the sterling bulls are winning. Now, I don't necessarily see this as being a long-term base scenario. That's because of my views on in terms of the UK general election. I think that's going to create big volatility, and also it's going to create pressure downside pressure ultimately on sterling. So in terms of the technicals, you could start to see a bit of a sort of a dichotomy maybe between the technicals and the fundamentals, because the technicals are beginning to improve, and certainly if it can close above 150.53 today, then that would be a positive, and also closing above 150 big figure today would be a positive. That move just beginning to be seen now. So lots to go on today. You've got the existing home sales for the US this afternoon, which existing home sales have generally been fairly positive for the US in recent, apart from a couple of months ago, generally seen as a positive for the US dollar. So that will be interesting this afternoon. But at the moment, obviously, these Bank of England meeting minutes have had a very strong impact on cable, and it's beginning to push above that 150 big figure level. So very interesting development here for the bulls, and it's sort of beginning to see that technical outlook become more positive. So I wish you good luck in your trading on cable today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.